Blizzard warning in effect from 6 p.m. Central Standard Time Friday to 12 p.m. Central Standard Time Saturday. What? Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations of up to 18 inches or more. Winds gusting up to 45 miles per hour. Where? Northern Minnesota. When? From 6 p.m. Friday to 12 p.m. Central Standard Time Saturday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. Blowing snow will significantly reduce visibility at times, with periods of zero visibility. Additional details. The strong winds will likely cause significant drifting of snow. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Minnesota Department of Public Safety and Minnesota Emergency Management Agency. A particularly dangerous situation is currently ongoing in the blizzard in northern Minnesota. The Minnesota State Police has received over 400 911 calls that have reported family members and neighbors going missing. Every call reports their power going out, and an individual who claims to be a part of a power company comes to their front door. Residents will then follow them outside and will never seen or heard from again. Additionally, the individual who has come to these homes will also never seen or heard from again. It is speculated that a supernatural evil is lurking in the storm, but it has not been confirmed. At this time, bring all family members and pets inside if not already. Close and lock all windows and doors, or any other entrances to your home or business, and do not venture outside at any given time. Move to the most central room of your home or business, without windows if possible, and do not make your presence known. If time allows, turn all lights off. Board up all heating and ventilation systems. Ensure that nothing can get in or out. Use heavy furniture or other materials to barricade all entrances to your home. Do not answer the door for anyone, not even law enforcement personnel, until an all clear is given. Arm yourself with any means of protection, firearms, knives, or any other defensive tools should be kept within reach. Keep a battery-powered radio with you. Remain sheltered in place until the threat has been lifted. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Your life is in danger. You could be killed if you do not follow these instructions. Use any and all means to defend yourself from an intruder. If you witness any suspicious activity or in immediate danger, call 911. Do not approach any suspicious individuals. Stay tuned to the station for further updates. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Minnesota Department of Public Safety and Minnesota Emergency Management Agency. This is an update to the ongoing emergency occurring in northern Minnesota. Please listen carefully as your life depends on it. The Minnesota State Police Department has received numerous 911 calls that report of an individual impersonating Minnesota State Police officers. The now dubbed White Death will approach residents in the blizzard requesting to speak with them inside their home. Any residents who open their door or allow this individual inside their home were either reported dead or missing. The Minnesota State Police have been unable to make contact with this individual as the suspect flees from the residence before police can arrive. The individual has nothing can get in or out. Use heavy furniture or other materials to barricade all entrances to your home or business. Do not answer the door for anyone, not even law enforcement personnel, until an all clear is given. Arm yourself with any means of protection. Firearms, knives, or any other defensive tools that can be used to protect you and your family from an intruder should be kept within reach. Always keep a battery-powered radio with you and additional batteries if possible. Remain sheltered in place until a threat has been lifted. You are in a life-threatening situation. You could be killed if you do not follow these instructions. Use any and all means to defend yourself from an intruder. If you witness any suspicious activity or are in immediate danger, call 911. Do not approach any suspicious individuals. Stay tuned to this station for further updates. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Minnesota Department of Public Safety, Minnesota Emergency Management Agency, and the Federal Bureau of Investigation. This is an update to the ongoing emergency in northern Minnesota. With a blizzard moving out of northern Minnesota, state police have received no calls or reports of the White Death in the past 2 hours. The FBI and state police believe that this dangerous individual is moving with the storm, but it cannot be confirmed at this time. Residents should remain sheltered in place until further notice. Any individuals caught outside could be shot on sight or detained without question. The FBI is currently investigating any reports regarding the suspect. If you have information regarding their location or identity, please call 911 and your information will be passed on to the FBI. If you witness any suspicious activity or are in immediate danger, call 911. Do not approach any suspicious individuals. Stay tuned to this station for further